Unraveling Gnarly, the cool language twist. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English slang. We'll be unraveling the meaning and usage of the term gnarly. So if you've ever wondered what it means when someone says something is gnarly, you're in for a treat. Gnarly originally hails from the world of surfing. Surfers in the 1970s and 1980s used it to describe waves that were particularly challenging, dangerous, or rough. The term comes from gnarled, which describes something twisted, rough, and weather-worn, much like the appearance of some tree branches or roots. While gnarly started in the surfing community, it's now widely used in various contexts. In modern slang, gnarly can mean 1. Cool or excellent, that new movie was totally gnarly. 2. Extreme or intense. The hike up the mountain was gnarly, but the view was worth it. 3. Complicated or tricky. I tried to fix my computer, but the problem is gnarly. It's important to note that context is key. Depending on the situation, gnarly can have positive or negative connotations. To give you a better grasp, here are some sentences using gnarly. 1. The waves at the beach today are gnarly. I wouldn't go surfing if I were you. 2. Have you seen that gnarly trick he pulled off on his skateboard? 3. She has a gnarly scar from her mountain climbing accident. 4. The traffic in the city can get pretty gnarly during rush hour. Remember, language is always evolving, and slang terms like gnarly can change in meaning over time or depending on the region. And there you have it. Now, the next time you hear someone use the word gnarly, you'll be in the know. We hope this video shed some light on this versatile slang term. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its constant evolution and the colorful expressions we get along the way. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time,